Hey everyone! Welcome to the guide on how to merge two videos into one in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's dive right in. First, launch Premiere Pro and create a new project. Then, import the two video files you want to combine by dragging them into the project panel. It's always a good idea to organize your clips in a dedicated bin for better workflow. Next, drag both video clips onto the timeline, one right after the other. This will place them in sequence, making it easy to merge. You can also preview the clips in the source monitor before placing them. Adjust the position of the clips to make sure they're in the correct order. You can use the razor tool or simply trim the edges to remove any unwanted parts. Make sure the transitions between the clips are smooth and seamless. Once you're happy with the arrangement, go to File, click on Export, and then go to Media. Choose your preferred format and resolution settings, then click Export to save your merged video. Depending on your system and export settings, it might take a few moments. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.